So this US oil analysis for Thursday, the 26th of April. Now, let's just have a look at where prices and where price may likely go. So, we've seen the sell side momentum coming to this market here from the $69 a barrel level, bring us down towards a 200 period moving average. We've held around the 200 period moving average. We had a few spikes down towards that 67 from this 200 period moving average, and it's 67.73. But as we can see here, I think we did test our lows just yet. Just bear with me a second here. Let's see. There we are, 67.13. So we did come down and form a bit of a double bottom here in around that 67.13 or so. It's going to change the color here. There we are. So we did have prices come down to retest our lows here. We've had price come down to that 67.13, from which we have seen that bullish buy side momentum return to the market, taking us above the 200 period moving average, sitting at the 67.73. We're now also in around that 68.18. And we're in around the 68.18. We'll look to see if we do hold support at the 68.18, from which we could see the bullish buy side momentum return to the market and a price move up towards the 69 level, successful break, from which we're looking for price head up towards a very key important level, from which we did see our most recent high in around that 69.51. If, however, we do see a breakdown from 68.18, we're then looking for price head down towards a 67.73. We do have the added confluence of the 200 period moving average, successful break, from which we're looking for a retest of our old lows in around that 67.12 or 67.13. Break from there, because it is a minor level. This swing here in around 67.13, we're looking for price head down towards that 66.71, which is a more key level. Successful break, from which we're looking for price head down towards that $66 a barrel mark. Wouldn't anticipate price to move beyond the $66 a barrel mark, but if we did, the very next key important level beyond the 66, where we do have the added confluence of the 400 period moving average, would be a move down towards the horizontal level of the 65.60. And again, to the upside, I wouldn't anticipate us moving much beyond 69.51, but beyond 69.51, we're likely to find some resistance in around the psychological level of the $70 a barrel mark here on the US oil, WTI. And if we head over to the daily chart, over on the daily chart, we can see here we've posted our lows, higher lows, higher lows, still a brief pullback, got into this bit of consolidation, and even though we have seen a couple of bearish candles, we have not seen the follow through. We have not seen even though we've seen the bearish candles, we've seen the moves being punctuated by bullish candles, suggesting that there isn't a momentum follow through for a deeper retracement at present. Instead, we're more into a bit of a consolidation for likely another test of the 69.51, possibly testing the 70, and they move beyond the $70 a barrel mark. Overall, even on the higher time frames, we can clearly see here that WTI is, my word, why is my drawing moving? Just bear with me a second here. There we are. So I'm just going to lock my drawings on the charts. I don't want that to happen again. So as we can see here, especially on the high time frames, that US oil, WTI, is clearly in an uptrend here. And we are seeing the continued recovery and a move towards higher prices in US oil. And with that said, that wraps up everything in regards to US oil. Thanks for watching.